In this video we're going to take a look at the Ulefone Armor Mini 2. This is one of the most cost-effective rugged phones from Ulefone at the time of making this video, and it's priced only at 1,000 Rand. So please do check in the description when we made this video. The Ulefone Armor Mini 2 is available in two colors. It's available in black and in camo, so take a wild guess at which one I got. This phone is drop resistant, dust proof and waterproof, so even if it does fall in the water, it will still keep on working. The anti-slip casing helps keeps the phone firm in your hands, and by pressing 0 and keeping it in, you can switch on the flashlight. It also has a headset-free FM radio built in, and probably one of my favorite features is the SOS button, but a bit more on that later in the video. So in the box we find the phone, we find the charger and a charging cable. This phone also charges with a micro USB cable. So if you do wish to buy one of these phones, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Please remember to use the QBE Connect as your coupon code and get 5% discount. This coupon is valid for anything you want to buy on the Rugged SA website, so always remember to use that QBE Connect and get your 5% discount. Also, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to click on the notifications, not to miss any of our up and coming videos. Now let's start assembling the phone. For this you'll need a flat screwdriver to remove the back cover. Next you will need to remove the film that's protecting the battery. After this you can refit the battery and refit the back cover. Ensure that the back cover does clip in properly, and remember to tighten both screws because this is very important for the IP68 or the watertight seal. At the top of the phone you'll find a rubber seal that closes off the charging port and the headphone port. Always ensure that this is fully pressed in, again to help with that watertight seal. Now we can switch on the phone. The Armor Mini 2 doesn't come with an Android operating system like most of the phones these days, but it makes it a perfect device for phone calling and SMSing. So let's have a look at this SOS feature that I was speaking about earlier in the video. By pressing and holding the SOS button, you'll see a countdown timer will start. After this, it will send a SMS to the numbers that you programmed in the phone. So let me quickly show you how to program these numbers into the phone. By pressing the menu button, we will go down to settings and then SOS settings. Here we can change the status, the SOS numbers, SOS SMS on or off. We can change the SOS SMS and then the warning tones as well. So should the phone make a noise when I press it, or should it stay quiet and just send the SMSs? This is a basic phone that is still very easy to operate, so people that do struggle with the newer phones will actually enjoy this phone. I think I'm going to give this one to my father-in-law because seeing that he dropped his last one in the water, this one should last him a lot longer. Thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the subscribe button and the notifications not to miss any of our up and coming videos.